Hello, you absolute legends. How are you? Welcome back to the channel. It's John here in a festive jumper. George and Andrew, of course, I got that the right way around as well. George and Andrew here, because I'm filming this. It is Christmas jumper day. Yeah, it is. I want to talk to you about the only Proton Saga Iswara in Australia. Yep. I'm going to give you all the details about it in just a minute, and we're going to have a good look at it. But first, let's take a look round at the video that the owner, Justin, has sent me. So as you can see, this is Justin's UK Spec 1.5 SE. Justin is based in Brisbane, Australia, and this car was originally registered under the number plate K552BTG. First registered June 1993 at Philog Garage in Wales, which is where one of my cars actually came from. It was imported to Australia with the original owner to Brisbane in 1997. Now, how did it get to Justin then? Well, Justin chanced upon it in mid 2009, where a car wholesaler was trying to get rid of it for 2,999 Australian dollars, which is about 1,800 UK pounds, and it's got only 17,250 original miles on it. As you can see, Justin has had it undercover ever since. He loves it, he cherishes it, and he is confident, and I'm confident too, that is the only Proton Saga Iswara in Australia. Why does Justin love his Proton Saga so much? Well, his mum is Malaysian by birth. His dad is from Singapore. And when they moved to Australia in 1995, they would obviously drive Protons, his family, in Kuala Lumpur. And of course, family and friends all had Protons. And his great uncle had a 1991 Proton Saga as well. So Proton Sagas are in the blood for Justin. Proton actually only came to Australia in 1995, so they didn't get the Saga or the Iswara. They got the later Wiras, to us the Persona, and then Satria's Wajas, which again to us is the Impian, and Jumbo as well. Therefore, no Sagas in Australia. So when he found it for sale in 2009, he jumped at the opportunity to buy it. It was actually 120 kilometres away on the Gold Coast, but that was no trouble for him. He went and picked it up, and well, the rest is history. Let's take a look then at some more photographs of the car that Justin has sent me, and I'll also have a look at some of the features and bits and pieces on this car. I'm so excited to share this with you, genuinely. Only Proton Saga in Australia. So let's take a look then at the photographs now that Justin has sent me. I've told you a little bit of history about the car, and oh my goodness, isn't it beautiful? No UK plates, obviously, because it's on the road in Australia. You can see we've got the QLD plates here. Thankfully, no holes drilled in the bumper here, so that's good news. And it's an automatic. I didn't realise that it was an automatic earlier when I was talking about it. The MPI catalyst, it is a 1993, the 1.5 SE triple valve. It is the top of the range. This car would have been genuinely about, I don't know, 8.5, 9 grand when it was brand new. No Philog Garage dealer sticker, which was a shame. Now, I might reach out to Justin and say, I've got Philog Garage dealer stickers. If you want it to put it in your Proton, see what he says to that. That might be a good option. But look at this chrome moulding along this bumper. It really is immaculate. It's an absolute honour to see this. That's unusual. It's not genuine, I don't think. I think this has been added. Has someone added a different number plate? Oh no, it is. It is genuine. Not a number plate, light reflector, but it is genuine. I've just looked outside and looked at one of mine. And the SE trim, of course, got you this lovely reflective trim along the back here as well, and the rubberized spoiler. This is beautiful. Look at the corners here of the windscreen. It really hasn't deteriorated. I am super jealous of this one. Let's take a look at this side then. Now, it hasn't got SE wheel trims. No, it's got a UK GLS wheel trims. These are called turbines, these wheel trims. And you would expect that to have the 3-spoke, you know, the sort I mean. SE wheel trims. I'm sure that Justin has got them. There must be a style choice behind the wheel trims. Um, is that a little ding? Yeah, a little ding there maybe, but not a major issue. Um, oh god, it is beautiful. Look at that petrol filler cap. Stunning. Door handles looking good. Rumble strips looking good as well. I wonder if these are original or if Justin has added these little door protectors. My Philog Garage car came with these too. So maybe that was a Philog Garage thing. Let's see if these little bits of trim are missing. Yeah, they are. The little end caps. This one's missing. They go walkabout. I might send Justin a couple of those as well. They just slot in there. They are gold dust, but I have got a few. I have also noticed it seems to be that the Proton wing badges are missing. That's interesting. Um, I would have expected there to be wing badges here. Let's have a look at some more pictures. Oh, there's the wheels that we can see. These are lovely, aren't they? They look like they've been recreated at some point. That's not quite right. Um, yeah, that's not quite right there. And the wheel arches here are looking good, aren't they? Brilliant. Look at that wheel arch there. Oh, now we're going inside. Hello. Keep fit windows. You can see the sills here are lovely and tidy. Uh, yeah, beautiful. I'll be getting them tucked in, just how I do it. Ashtray is good. These back pockets also, they pull away. They're literally screwed in with little covers. They're looking good. There's good to see the covers as well. There's the little covers. Lovely. Are these the original floor mats? And then there's some other floor mats over the top? Maybe. I'm tilting like this to have a good look. The photograph's a bit on the wonk. You can see the sunroof. It's got a Webasto top slider 2 in here. Looking good. And the interior light obviously works. No headliner sagging at all, from what I can see. No, these little clamshells literally just stick into place. When these were fitted, this would have been fitted actually in Bristol, the sunroof here. So it didn't leave the factory in Malaysia with that sunroof. They were retrofitted in the import centre. Right now, let's take a look. Yeah, so it's missing. It's Proton um, wing stickers here, wing badges. I'm not sure if they've been taken off by Justin or if they've been taken off by the original owner. There should be a little badge here and a little badge on the other side saying Proton. Nice to see we've got this, and you've got the UK Spec emblem there. On the RAC sticker, yeah, that again would have been fitted at the import centre. And this is a Proton sticker as well, which says, don't rev your catalyst, don't rev your engine before you turn it off, look after your catalyst. We've got the original wiper arms as well, nice. Headrests for the SE have got this little cutout, which is great because you've got a plush velour interior. And these rumble strips as well. Absolutely stunning car. Now, are we going to see some badges here? No. Okay, there's the front grille. A little bit of a worse quality picture. This is better. Yeah, it's weird that. That's going to throw me. UK Spec front grille and badge. Lovely. Oh, I wonder what this is. What's that? That's going to be something to do with driving in Australia, I'm guessing. Driving Down Under. Hey, that could be a new series, couldn't it? Cooper's Driving Down Under, and I can take Justin's Proton out in the outback. Mel Langley Mitsubishi. BLT 35 on anti-sun. Tempered, of course. Oh, here's underneath. Look at that silencer. These rot here, and you can see it's probably had a little bit of a repair here at some point in the past. That drain plug has been removed from the boot. You can see there's a little bit of rust there. And of course, in Australia, it's not getting the salt, it's not getting the winter, so of course it's not going to have rotted. There's the bonnet looking beautiful. Here's the interior again. Look at that lovely plush brown velour interior. It really is gorgeous, and the piping is in really good condition. I'd love to see this driver's seat bolster. It's a little crack there. Aha! So let's take a look then at the hockey stick, or the big handle I call it. There's the park, reverse, neutral, drive, and 2. It should have had, or it should have, a Blaupunkt stereo cassette here. It's been updated with a Sony. I'm not sure if Justin has got the original at some point there, or if he has just inherited the car like that. And I love this cutout that someone's done. I love it. I absolutely adore it because it's going to protect that dash in the sun. And you can just see here the the mileage. Digital clock, of course, being the SE model, and also other things you've got being the SE. No way, it's got aircon. It's got air conditioning. Where's the air conditioning badge? That's missing. It should say air conditioned, but it's got aircon, which is blooming handy in Australia. It's making me wonder, did the owner who bought this know that they were going to Australia? Did they know that they were going to be taking it to Australia and so have purposefully bought this top spec car, air conditioning, to go out there? Maybe. Maybe they've known. There's the side again, and there is the front. Look at this grille. Lovely, that is. Absolutely beautiful. No damage to this bumper. I am super, super jealous of this car. I would love it. Oh, there you go, Mr. Spear. Oh, no, sorry, beg your pardon. Mrs. Spear of 6 St Agatha Road, Heath, Cardiff. CF4 4EB. Registered 14th of the 6th, 93. 1.5 SE Auto Saloon. Oh, I've never seen the limited edition box before. And there it is. INS Lawa Limited, trading as Philog Garage, Cardiff. Excellent. That's wonderful. Oh, and it comes with a free wallet as well. Well, there's more pictures. I thought I'd gone round. More pictures. Yeah, it's got aircon. Oh, that's fantastic. And it's nice to see that this badge is still here. They normally disappear. Oh, it really is beautiful. 19,799 miles. And we know that it's not a aftermarket because it's got the miles per hour dial. It's definitely a UK car. Look at it. Wow. I think that is a fantastic thing. And what I'll do is I'll just flick back and we'll go back to a picture of the car. That picture, I love that picture. I love the colour, love the paint. Justin, an absolute credit to you. And the fact that it's the only one in Australia, that is beautiful, isn't it? And that is a lovely thing to have. Thanks for sharing with me, genuinely, and I'm hoping that you're happy that I've shared this with you as well. Just does looking at this car. Things that I've noticed: air conditioning, badge is missing. The little badges on the side are missing. Maybe somebody thought, I don't like all these badges, and so has taken them off. It's nice to see that the rear badges, including the automatic badge, has survived. What do you reckon? Should Justin invite me over to Brisbane? I've actually got friends in Australia, so maybe, just maybe, at some point in the future, I can nip on over to Australia and catch up with Justin. That would be grand, and do a video of me with his Proton. I'd love that. But what do you reckon? Could you see yourself bombing around at the outback in one of these, or maybe you'd need something that could handle the hills a little bit better? Have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. If you have enjoyed this little impromptu video, then please let me know by hitting the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. More Proton chat to come, but I'm absolutely honoured, genuinely, Justin, for you to share this car with me, and I hope that you enjoy it for many, many years to come. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.